Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end this Wednesday. Markets ended in the red with the small cap Russell 2000 down by the most 2.5%, followed by the Dow down 1% and the NASDAQ 100 and S&P 500, which were also lower. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, just one of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, energy, as crude oil rallied about 1.2%. To the downside, real estate slid around 4%, followed by utilities down 1.7%. Looking at some stocks on the move, Delta Airlines kicked off earnings season with first quarter results that beat expectations. The airline cited accelerating business travel demand, and in the strong earnings report, they also saw a few other areas of strength. The CEO said that the company sees more opportunity in the second quarter. The stock initially gained on this report, but then closed down around 2.3% on a broader market sell-off. In other airline news, Boeing shares fell to a 17-month low on reports that the FAA is investigating claims made by a whistleblower who said the company was taking safety and assembly shortcuts with its 787 aircraft. Boeing shares continued to tumble as Morgan Stanley and Stifel lowered their price targets on the stock. Shares closed down around 2%. And finally, Deckers Outdoor was the worst performer in the S&P 500 today after a downgrade from Truist Securities to a hold from a buy and a price target cut to $864 from $983. Truist cited slowing Hoka sales in the downgrade and lowered its estimates for Hoka's direct-to-consumer revenue. Shares ended nearly 7% lower on the day. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow for data. Keep an eye out in the morning for jobless claims and PPI. And on the earnings front, we'll hear from Constellation Brands, CarMax, and Lovesac pre-market. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.